So it's just something that I thought I would come from Plains to say. So thank you very much.
Mr. Chairman, members of the committee, my name is Jim Gingery. I'm the Executive Director of the Montana Medical Growers Association. In the past, we've stood up and said we represent all the patients and caregivers in the state. I want to clarify that because I was questioned on that by some of our members. We represent the legal, ethical caregivers in the state and the patients that are deserving in the state. We understand that for traveling clinics, some people got their licenses that shouldn't have. That was a mistake. That's now been corrected by the Medical Board of Examiners. We do understand that sideboards need to be made on the Medical Marijuana Act. I had the pleasure to serve and the honor to serve on the work group session sanctioned by the Children, Family Health and Human Services Interim Committee this past summer. We sat down with law enforcement, city officials, county officials to try and figure out what the problems were for medical cannabis. We're seeing a number of bills come forward to the legislature to consider that put a number of different sideboards on. Quite frankly, my group won't agree with all of them, and I'm sure the opposition won't agree to everything. But it's important that we come up with a practical, logical solution to this, and certainly repeal is not a good option for sure. One of the things that we've heard in earlier testimony today was a lot of different statements being made. I think what we need to really start doing is having fact checks on some of these statements, because some of them are just ludicrous. There's tons of research out there. In fact, you all have a copy of the medical guide that we put together for all the legislatures. Everybody in this building has a copy of it. If you don't have one, we'll be happy to get one to you. In this guide that was provided, we have a lot of information, factual information. Please have it fact-checked because it's honest, it's fair. We understand everybody doesn't agree with this. We just hope that everybody takes a responsible look at this and make the right decision. Please vote no on the repeal. I do have a handout, sir. Thank you.